Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Sorry, y'all.
Get on the ground now!
Alright, bro. Get on the ground! Hey, sorry, but what is happening? You guys just put the food in? Stop! Hey. Cool. Can I go?
No, dude, lay on the floor.
Stop! Turn off the car! Turn off the car!
Turn off the car! Turn off the car!
What the f are you doing? $25 shots fired at Enterprise on University. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Stop! Get his shit going this way. Stop! Just turn off the car! Turn off the car! Turn off the car! Turn off the car! No, you're on the floor. $25 officers are code 4. 2 are hit. We're going to be on the south side of Enterprise. And 25, just be advised, the driver's still in the car seat. It looks like he's got a wound to his top. Looks like below his neck maybe. And then my partner has the passenger. Looks like he's prone down on the ground.